Earlier, author Carol S. Dweck thought artistic ability was a gift. But when she saw the self-portraits drawn by a few people who seemed to be very bad in drawing, before and after a 5-day small training course, she was surprisingly shocked to see that the portraits drawn by the people after the training looked very much professional. And there was a difference of day and night in the two drawings. On this, the trainer, Betty Edwards, who trained these people, unfolded that the difference was not due to change in the drawing skills, but due to change in the seeing skills. It was due to the way people perceived edges, spaces, relationships, lights, shadows, and the whole of the drawing. Similarly, we can change our lives by changing 5 things. By smiling at the challenges and obstacles, by respecting the journey even when we do not understand it, by finding lessons and inspiration in success of others, by accepting criticism and taking it in our stride, and by embracing mistakes and failures as much as we embrace success. These small changes in perception, if carried over, will create a transformative effect on our learning, growth, and success, and will surely help in fulfilling our dreams.